Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock and play ranked mode in League of Legends. If you're new to the game or wondering why you can't queue up yet, this video will explain everything you need to know step by step. Alright, so first things first, before you can play ranked, your account needs to reach level 30. That's the main requirement. You can level up just by playing normal games, ARAM, or even bot matches. It all gives experience. Once you hit level 30, you also need to own at least 20 different champions. You can buy champions from the in-game store using Blue Essence, which you earn by playing games, completing missions, and leveling up. So make sure you save that blue essence and don't waste it on unnecessary stuff early on. Now here's something a lot of people don't actually know. Before you can play ranked, you need to have played at least 10 games on Summoner's Rift. It doesn't matter if they're versus bots or real players, as long as they're on the classic Summoner's Rift map. This helps make sure you're familiar with the basic mechanics and objectives before jumping into ranked. Once you've met all of those conditions, level 30, 20 champions, and 10 Summoner's Rift games, you're all set. Just press play, select ranked, and hit find match. The first few games you play will be placement matches, which determine your starting rank. Don't worry too much if you lose some. It's all about finding where you fit in the ranking system. And that's it. That's how you unlock ranked in League of Legends. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy League tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck in your ranked games.